Happy holiday, Merry Christmas. You know I love this time of year, and I have something fun for you, very quick. It's only going to be about 3-4 minutes, but because I know you're busy, and at this time of year, you want things that are real fun, quick, and easy. And I do napkins every year for our family, whether I'm having Christmas, usually I do, or whether you're celebrating another holiday. It's really fun to have a really quick little napkin to do. I can do a napkin, I can do a set of 8 in an hour, and it just is very fast. You can see on this particular one, I use the metallic thread. It's a Floriani metallic thread. I just love it. It's really a beautiful thread. And then on the back, you can see the back side. It's a little bit, you know, the thread shows up. It's not real thick, but I didn't want it real thick. And then on this one, I used a little different type of thread in here, but I did use the metallic too. And they're just beautiful threads. Even on a serger, you're not going to get any breakage. So again, that's a fun little project. It takes you, like if you're going to make 8 of them, or do this, make 16 of them, make them small, and do little cocktail napkins. And there's nothing more fun than to have, now this particular one, we just took our fabric. I actually have placemats that somebody made for me in the store. And the you can take the point through there and bring it up like this. I should have the actual placemat because it matches the fabric, but it's just kind of fun to be able to have a little bit of a point or something that'll give you a little fun look. Or if you want a little bit more bedazzle, which sometimes people do, you could fold it in, and you could even fussy cut the angel, fussy place the angel, and then put this little fun little jewel thing on somebody's table. Or you want to take on another one. This is just, again, some kind of really fun ideas for you too. It's always nice to have something a little bit different on your table that you haven't had in the past. That's not going to work that way because it's too thick. These napkins it'll work on this one because these napkins are not as thick, and I haven't doubled them. But many times when I'm doing a napkin, I will take 2 layers of fabric and put them together and do it on this beautiful 890 Bernina Serger. But you can see on this one, it really is kind of a fun technique. And then I even took this one. I'm moving these pretty fast for the camera there, so I hope you can see. But this was really fun. It was just, I found this one, but you can glue the little pine cones on. It's just a very simple, easy thing to do too. You could go this way, and then put the red little through the, and you can do so many. I have got so many different ideas of, or let's put them on this way. It's even more fun like this. Put it on your table, and then that's at the top. So you can put that right in the middle of the plate, and you'll just have a real fun little experience with your holiday table. The last thing I want to show you, and again, these were all done on this beautiful serger that is on sale. There is the wish book that Bernina has put out. It's on sale while the supplies last or through the 31st of December. Then, as most of you probably know, prices are going to majorly escalate. So if Santa wasn't good to you in your stocking, you should be good to yourself and go ahead and choose one of these great designs that are in here, one of these great packages. The 890, let's see if I can find it here. There's just a ton of really wonderful product. Here's the 890, and it's on special for just during this holiday, $54.99. It's an $8,000 serger, so it's an unbelievable price. And we have a special package price. On the booklet here, it tells you it's $1,000, but we have something even more special than that. This is a thread kit that is just a beautiful little stocking stuffer. It isn't really necessarily for a serger, it's embroidery, but I'm going to show you something you can use it for. And this is the Bernina thread kit that is just a beautiful overlock collection. It's one of my favorites. We'll have this in the place marked down below. So maybe you already have this machine, but you don't have this beautiful collection of threads yet. Then that should be in your stocking, or Santa can bring it to you for New Year's Eve. Okay. So lastly, I want to show you these little ideas. We have a video that we've done on mitered corners on napkins, and this shows you one. It's just a straight stitch here. Those of you that don't have a serger, we mitered the corner of each one. I haven't pressed these, so they probably aren't looking perfect. But you can see what I did. I put a little initial on one, and I want you to see it up close, because you can see whenever I do an embroidery design, which is with some of these threads that I just showed you, the embroidery threads, I pull the topper. I always put a topper on top of the embroidery thread. I pulled this topper away and it didn't come out of there. So what do? I take a towel, I put it underneath, and I just spritz this a little bit, like that. And what's happened, in fact, I'll spritz it over here too, because I see one little corner right there. And then take a towel and just tap it, and you can see that's all coming out. I'm going to give it one more little spritz. I have a thick terry towel, what I call just a rag that I keep, an old towel. And then I just pat it like this, and all of that has come out. Now, if you don't want to do that kind of a design, you could do this. I put one on this one too. This is one of our border designs. It's really kind of fun to do. And I put a couple of colors. I probably should have done red and white, or green and white, because it would have shown maybe the Z should be in the white, or anyway, it shows up. And this one I spritzed already, so you can see there's no topper. That's a water-soluble topper that I put on to make that design pop up. So these are just a couple of little techniques that I hope are going to help you for something fun, quick, and easy that you can do for yourself, or maybe a friend. Maybe you're going out for lunch during the holidays, and this would be a great way to celebrate. The most important thing I want to say during this video is that we appreciate everything that you have done for our channel, for our store. There are so many loyal supporters out there for LindaZs, and I am so eternally grateful for everything you've been doing for us. So, guys, I want to wish you a very, very Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and I hope you'll come and see us in the new year. Okay, thanks, everyone. Enjoy the time with your families. Put your sewing aside for a couple of times and just go out there and have some fun and enjoy. See you soon in the new year. Thanks, everyone.
Hi, and Merry Christmas, everyone. Just wanted to wish you all very, very happy holidays and with your loved ones. And thank you so much for supporting LindaZsSewingCenter.
Merry Christmas.
Wanted to wish everyone a Merry Christmas. Thank you for your business and for keeping me busy.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Hi, it's Mary from LindaZs, wishing you a very Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Thanks for all your wonderful support throughout the year, and I hope to see you in the store real soon.
Merry Christmas from LindaZs.
Hi, this is Betsy with LindaZs. I'm wishing everyone a very joyous and blessed Christmas and a wonderful, prosperous, and happy New Year.
Hi, this is Matt from LindaZs, just wishing everyone a Merry Christmas.
I'm Blair, happy holidays and happy New Year.
Merry Christmas from the Service Department at LindaZsSewingCenter. Thank you for trusting us with your machines over all these years, and I hope you have a great new year also. Thank you.
Hey everybody, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. We hope that everybody has some really great times with their family and friends this season, and we would love to see you all at Sew Club, which is after Christmas this year. So thanks, and we'll see you soon, everyone.
Have a blessed Christmas. Thanks for being our customer. See you next year.
Hey, it's Tracy here at LindaZs. Wanted to wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, Happy Holidays. We want to thank you for supporting us since 1967, and we love being part of this local community, and we're always online as well, and wishing you the best for 2026. Thanks for 2025.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year's from LindaZs. I'm Jack down in the tech department. Thank you.